Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to edit campaigns on Google Ads. Let's get started. First, log in your Google Ads account, then from the dashboard, go to the Overview section. Down here, click on the Campaign section, then click on the specific campaign you wish to edit by clicking on the Settings icon. It's important to be reminded that you are sure with the campaign you're going to edit, because the changes will only apply to your selected campaign. In the Settings area, you can find all the aspects of your campaign that you can edit. This includes your campaign name, conversion goals, which shows successful interaction for your campaign, customer acquisition, where you can edit your target audience, marketing objectives, where you can make sure that your campaign aligns with the goals you have for your business, and more. And that is how you can edit your campaign on Google Ads. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.